Jutsus come in many forms. Some are physical, like hand-to-hand combat or using weapons. Others are more mystical, drawing on the user's chakra. But would any of these abilities still function in the vacuum of space? First, let's talk about chakra, the life force energy that ninjas use to perform jutsus. Chakra requires both spiritual and physical energy. In theory, since space wouldn't directly impact the spiritual energy, a ninja could still gather chakra for jutsus. However, physical energy might be tricky. Without gravity, your muscles weaken because they aren't used the same way. But hey, these are ninjas we're talking about, trained to withstand extreme conditions. It's plausible that elite ninjas, with their intense training, could adapt and still generate physical energy, even in zero gravity. Now, let's talk about some specific ninja techniques. Rasengan. The Rasengan, a concentrated ball of chakra, doesn't depend on gravity or the environment. Since it's formed entirely from chakra, Naruto could easily create it in space. However, using it to hit someone would be a different story, in zero gravity, without something to push off. Every action has an equal and opposite reaction thanks to Newton's third law. So if Naruto tries to thrust a Rasengan, he might send himself flying backward just as fast as his opponent. Sasuke's Chidori. This move involves harnessing chakra into lightning, which could still work since it doesn't rely on oxygen. But here's the catch: the vacuum of space has no atmosphere. Without air, the lightning might behave unpredictably, and Sasuke could have a hard time controlling it. Plus, like Naruto, if he tries to launch himself at an enemy in zero gravity, he'd face the same challenge. He'd need a solid surface to push off from or risk being thrown into an uncontrollable spin. 3. Shadow Clone Jutsu. Shadow clones might actually be one of the most useful jutsus in space. Naruto could create multiple clones to stabilize himself, or even use them as a means to push off in zero gravity. Imagine an army of floating Naruto clones working together to navigate space. Not only would they serve as fighters, but they'd also help Naruto maintain control while floating. Just another example of why Naruto is the ultimate strategist. And that's the power of ninja skills, reaching beyond Earth to the vastness of space. Like a ninja honing their chakra. Remember what Nikola Tesla once said: the day science begins to study non-physical phenomena, it will make more progress in 1 decade than in all the previous centuries of its existence, just like Tesla's vision of the future. The power of ninjas knows no bounds across dimensions and even galaxies. If you enjoyed this journey into the cosmos with our favorite shinobi, don't forget to like this video, share it with your fellow space-loving ninjas, and subscribe for more epic adventures. Join the crew by hitting that bell icon, and let's keep exploring the infinite together. See you in the next one.